In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage an invoice in your sales platform efficiently. Whether you're new to this process or just need a refresher, I've got you covered with a comprehensive guide to ensure you can get your invoicing done smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the sales section of your platform. Once you're there, look for the Invoices option. This is where all the magic happens. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can manage all of your existing invoices. To create a new one, simply click on the plus new button. This will open up a fresh invoice form where you'll begin inputting all relevant information. When it comes to filling out the invoice details, accuracy is key. Start by entering all the required customer information. This usually includes the customer's name, address, and contact details. A little tip here is to always double-check these details, as any errors can lead to delays or misunderstandings down the line. After you've securely entered the customer information, the next area to focus on is the item details. Make sure you include all the products or services you've provided. Be meticulous in detailing the description, quantity, price, and any applicable taxes or additional charges. Once you've got everything down, it's essential to give everything one last look to ensure no detail is missed. When you're satisfied that everything is in order, go ahead and save the invoice. Upon saving, you'll notice the invoice will appear in your list with either a ready-to-push or draft status. This indicates that it's sitting in the system waiting for further action. Now, it's time to push this invoice through the system. Select the invoice you just created and look for the Push to IRP button. But before you proceed, you have a choice to make. Decide whether you want to push just the invoice details or both the invoice and the e-way bill details, if that's applicable to your situation. If you're unsure about whether you need the e-way bill, it often comes down to your local compliance requirements or your specific circumstances. It's always good to stay informed about these regulations to avoid any hiccups. Finally, once you've made your selections and pushed the invoice, you'll need to verify the status to ensure everything went as planned. Checking the status will give you the peace of mind that your invoice is moving correctly through its intended pathways, ensuring your business operations can proceed without a hitch. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to handling invoices with ease and confidence. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful in guiding you through this process. Remember, practice makes perfect, and as you become more familiar with this system, you'll find the process becoming second nature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more insightful tutorials.